Hello everyone, this is my review of the Tymate TM9 tire pressure monitoring system. I can see the pressure and temperature of all 4 tires in real time right on the display. Installation is quick since the external sensors screw onto your tire valve stems, and the solar-powered display keeps itself charged while you're driving. It also includes USB charging as a backup, so you don't have to worry about the battery. One feature I really appreciate is the built-in alerts. If your tire pressure gets too high or too low, or a tire starts overheating, the system notifies you immediately so you can catch problems before they become bigger issues. The display is bright, easy to read day or night, and works with cars, SUVs, trucks, and many RVs. If you want an easy way to improve safety, protect your tires, and help extend their life, this TPMS is definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.